to episode 3 of the Category 4 Atlantic Hurricanes discussion. Today, we'll be discussing Hurricane Charley in 2004. How are you doing?
Okay, so let's get
started. Go. Bing, bang, bing, boom, boom, bing, bang. Hey, is everyone here?
No.
Everyone
No.
outside? Good.
No. I need a hug first. Thank
Everyone's
you.
here. Alright, good. Alright. So we're here. Since we're going to be discussing Hurricane Charley in 2004.
We didn't say anything.
Today we'll be discussing about Hurricane Charley in 2004. Well, Charley is one of the 4 hurricanes in the Atlantic during 2004 to impact or strike Florida, along with Francis, Ivan, and Jean. When I asked 953 about Charley, she said a fierce intensity of a storm, 150 mile per hour winds, 941 millibars. Charley is one monster of a storm.
Why can't you say SCP?
SCP 953.
Okay.
Alright, let's get it. Alright, next slide. Okay. Hey. Hurricane Charley was
Why is
the
it so blue? Sorry.
Hurricane Charley.
Question.
Yeah.
Why is it so blue?
The background is dark. Is black. That's why.
Wait, a minute. It looks like it's sticking out. Go like this. Go like this, and then look at the red. It looks like it's sticking out, right?
Hurricane Charley was the first of 4 separate hurricanes to hit or impact Florida during 2004, along with Francis, Ivan, and Jean, as well as one of the most powerful tropical cyclones to strike the United States. It was the 3rd named storm, 2nd hurricane, and 2nd major hurricane of the 2004 Atlantic hurricane season.
Okay. Charley attained winds of
150 miles per hour
and
240 kilometers per hour.
making it powerful Category 4 hurricane
On the Saffir-Simpson scale.
on the first Simpson scale. It hit Florida at peak intensity and quick weekend. It was most powerful storm ever recorded to strike the U.S. since Andrew in 1992, which made landfall as a Category 5 in South Florida.
Yeah, alright. There we go. Alright. Okay. Alright. So Charley was the first of 4 separate storms on record to impact Florida during 2004, along with Francis, Ivan, and Jean. Charley was the most powerful storm to hit the U.S. and the strongest. Was one of the most powerful storms to hit the U.S. and the strongest to make landfall in Florida since Andrew in 1992, which made landfall as a Category 5 in South Florida.
Is that radar in the picture?
That's satellite.
Guess whose birthday's coming up? Yeah.
Okay.
Yippee.
Okay.
Hey, Emmett.
What's up?
Maybe on my birthday, if we don't have the birthday party on my birthday, can we do another one?
It's your birthday's on a Friday.
I know. It's good.
Alright.
Wait. No, we don't have school. Sorry.
It's summer break.
Can I read?
I'll read the first one.
May I read?
You can read the second one. Okay.
Wait, can I check something real quick? Oopsies. Help. I want to see. Okay, it's not on the live thing.
Okay. Charley formed on August 9th, 2004 as a tropical depression, then later intensified into a tropical storm on August 10th. It strengthened into a hurricane late on August 11th.
Charley, can you read the first half and I'll read the second half?
Charley intensified into Category 3 status before hitting Cuba, then weakened to Category 2 status.
However, Charley jumps into a high end Category 5,
Category 4.
Category 4 hurricane within a minute of
With 1 minute
with 1 minute winds of 100 at 50 miles per hour,
Before
440
kilometers per hour.
before hitting Florida.
It became post-tropical on August 14th, dissipating the next day.
I was reading that. It became
Post-tropical
post-tropical
on
on
August
August
14th.
15th. Dissipating next day. I wrote everything during that.
I created this, Gabby, not you!
I thought,
Who wants to read?
snowball.
In total, Charley left 35 people dead, 15 direct and 20 indirect deaths. It inflicted $16.9 billion in damage throughout the course of its life. All right.
So, what do we get to the part where it makes people die? How many people did it make?
20 indirect deaths were reported as a result of Charley.
Anyways, let's get back again.
Okay, let's get back to this. Sit down on your chair. Sit down in the chair, girl. Okay, sit down, please. Okay.
Okay, hold on.
Okay.
Wait.
There we go. Alright, so Charley became a hurricane on August 11th, 2004. It made landfall on Cuba as a Category 3, but weakened to a Category 2. However, Charley jumped to a high-end Category 4 hurricane. Its maximum sustained winds of 150 miles per hour before hitting Florida at peak intensity. It quickly weakened and eventually made its final landfall in the Carolinas. And yes, it dissipated on August 15th after becoming post-tropical on August 14th, 2004. Alright. So the video below is an animation collabed with the radar and satellite loops of Hurricane Charley.
I'll fix it.
There, let's watch. You can see the eye of Charley moving through the Cuba and then hitting the
Did you make this?
tropical cyclone radar imagery.
Question.
Yes.
Did you make this?
No.
Did you find it on YouTube?
Yeah.
Are you ready to have some noodles later? What are we talking about?
Why are you talking about off-season stuff? No, off-topic stuff, I mean.
I'm talking about Hurricane Donna. I mean, not her. What are we doing?
Charley.
Hurricane Charley is going to what state right now?
Well, it just became post-tropical. And you can see the,
Yellow.
you see that? That's the center of
What does the green mean?
the land.
Say pink. Say pink.
For landfall.
I'm hungry. What about you?
Not really.
High five.
Yeah.
Who's ready for dinner? High five me. Who's ready
Let's
to-
not talk about off-topic stuff right now.
And the-
So, that's it.
Wait, can you play it again?
Gotcha.
Yay, I love hurricane! Only reason I like hurricanes is because this boy right behind me. What does the RF mean?
RF?
Yeah.
Let me see. RF. Where do you see RF?
Oopsie.
Huh.
I think
Go
I
back.
broke it.
Oh, did it?
Okay, let's do the RF right there.
I'm not sure. There.
I love you. Oh, peaches.
Okay. Okay.
Peaches. These are
Control
peaches, guys.
F5.
These are peaches.
Stop it, Gabby. Hey! Stop.
Peaches.
Okay. Next slide.
Oh.
There. So this is the image gallery of Charley. All of them were captured by satellite imagery.
No, I'm watching.
Okay, so these are all the satellite animations of.
Question.
All of these were captured by satellite imageries. 4 of them were captured by are normal images, while 3 are GIFs. Yes.
Okay. So Are all these radar?
Satellite.
What's satellite?
The telescope from space above Earth.
Got it! That wasn't me. That was in the sky. You know, if you take the 2025, you take out the 25 part and put 3, that's my homeroom.
Alright, next one. Okay. I'll read the first one. Alright, so these are the fun facts about Charley. And yeah, you can see the eye of the star moving up through Florida.
Me.
Alright, Charley was the most powerful storm to strike the United States since Hurricane Andrew in 1992.
Charley is tied with Land and 2000.
Ian.
I said Ian. In
2022.
2022 for the strongest storm record to hit Southwest Florida. Southwest.
Charley jumped from 100 miles per hour to 150 miles per hour.
Who's reading?
It's me.
It's me.
Charley jumped from 100 miles per hour to 150 miles per hour in just 6 hours right before hitting Florida. It literally jumped from a category 2 to a category 4. That's actually insane. Probably the sea surface temperatures.
To read the next one.
I will.
Yeah, I want to read. Okay. Charley neared Category 5 strength while rapidly intensifying. However, it never reached Category 5 intensity on the Saffir-Simpson scale.
Thank you. Next slide with me.
Charley was one of the deadliest storms ever to strike Florida. Okay, so Charley neared Category 5 status. Okay, so Charley neared Category 5 status as it was approaching Florida. However, it didn't reach Category 5 status because it didn't have the sea surface temperatures and it was so close to land. You know that?
Let's get so close to me.
The eye, see that? It's moving up Florida.
Okay.
Alright, next slide. Okay, so this is the track of Charley. What's up?
So, what does the green mean? I know the blue means water and the green means land, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So this is the track of Charley. And you can see it rapidly intensifies from a Category 2 to a Category 4, with winds jumping from around 105 to 150 miles per hour in just 6 hours before hitting Florida.
You know I could laugh different than anybody else. Say something funny.
Yes. What the hell was that? Okay, anyways. Alright, so main landfall in Cuba is a Category 3, but weakened to a Category 2, and then rapidly intensified into a high-end Category 4, with sustained winds of 150 miles per hour. This storm probably followed the same track as Ian.
Okay, done.
Bam!
Wait, ready? Wait. Do your kids do this from school? Dab them up? They dab them up?
Yeah, sometimes we miss. Alright.
Dab up. Dab me up. Dab me up for the end of the video.
Alright.
Stop missing! Peace!
Peace out!